Hello, welcome. I'm Paul Bagan, a certified Dale Carnegie trainer and coach out of Stockton, California. And this is your Dale Carnegie leadership tip. We all have employees. If not employees, we have coworkers. The thing we must recognize is none of the individuals that we deal with daily are of the same personality type. This tip revolves around how do we identify the employee personality type in one of our team members. There are three personality types. The first is our achiever. An achiever is someone who is exactly what is said. They achieve. They look for opportunities. They go as far as creating opportunities. They welcome. In fact, they'll embrace change. They have high expectations for themselves, equally for others. And they expect to be mentored. The other is our vacationer. I refer to this personality as a vacationer because one day somebody asked me, what would be your perfect vacation? I said one where I don't have to really do anything, but what I do, I can do real well. That's the vacationer. The vacationer is somebody who has a long history in the field of their work or with the company or a combination of both. And they're very good at what they do. They pride themselves in the quality of their work. They can be a little bit introverted. They have a select group of people that they, communicate with there at work. They do not like a lot of recognition. They accept recognition, but not public recognition. The type of recognition they like is that they've done their job correctly, because that's where their pride is, in their ability to do their job correctly. That's what makes them a great mentor or coach to someone else. Equally, they have patience. Now we move on to our last personality type, the hostage. The hostage is that individual that feels hostage to everything. They feel that they're hostage to their manager. They're a hostage to their job. They're a hostage to their home. They're a hostage to their rent, to the mortgage. You have the idea. Also, the hostage takes no ownership or responsibility for their behavior. They rather displace their behavior and reasons for it onto someone else. Example, if I had a better manager with better leadership skills, well, then it'd be easy for me to be a better employee. Those are the three personality types. As you review these again, as I suspect some will, begin to jot down who you feel falls into these areas. I hope you found this tip to be of value to you. This information comes directly from my workshop, The Dynamics of Leadership. If you're interested in learning more about that workshop and how it can be of value to you and to your team, I welcome a call, an email, or a text message from you. I may be reached. My office number is 209-478-3561. Text me at 209-910-1411. And lastly, you can email me, paul.bagan@dalecarnegie.com. Make it a great day.